Step 1. Remove all components from the box and arrange them neatly. Step 2. Following the video, remove the roof panel. Unscrew the original bolts located on both sides of the roof. Step 3. As shown in the video, take the brackets, align them with the original vehicle's mounting holes, and secure them to the roof using the original bolts. Repeat the same process on the other side. Step 4. Refer to the video to locate the original bolts at the front of the vehicle. Loosen these bolts. Position the bracket in place. Then tighten the bolts securely. Step 5. Assemble the bolts with washers. Following the video, mount the crossbar onto the installed side brackets using these bolts and tighten them securely. Step 6. Assemble the remaining bolts with washers. Take the Molle panel and secure it to the installed front bracket and crossbar using the assembled bolts, tightening them firmly. Step 7. Reinstall the roof panel to complete the installation.